Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel. I want to share with you how to make art with fluid acrylics. My name is Lorraine, and today we're going to work on a traveling straight pour. Okay, so today I've picked some colors. I've got some warm colors and I've got some cool colors. I want to use them together in this traveling straight pour and see what happens. So what I have is I have a purple red, I have a crimson, I have a permanent red, a garnet, which is one of the extreme sheen colors. I have a cobalt blue, an ultramarine blue, a phthalo blue, and this is another extreme sheen color. It's a sapphire. I'm going to layer them in my cup, and then we're going to just lay them out on the canvas and see what we can come up with. I'm going to start with my warm colors, and I'm going to start with the crimson, and then some permanent red. Put in some of the purple red, some of my extreme sheen garnet. This is a small bottle, so I'm going to move it around so I can get some on the top. Such a pretty color. Then I'm going to go in with the cobalt blue. Some of the ultramarine blue. Some of my sapphire. And then some phthalo blue. I'm going to go around again with my crimson. The permanent red. These are very close in color. Some of the purple red. Some garnet. Cobalt blue. Trying not to shoot it down in there. I just want them to layer. Some of the ultramarine next. Some sapphire. I love having the metallic colors in here. And then we're going to finish it off with the phthalo blue. And this is a 16-ounce cup, so I should have plenty of paint here. Move some stuff out of the way. I'm going to start on this side and bring it down this way. And I think what I'm going to do is split the cup this way and see what we come up with. Slowly start. Just going to travel down. Just kind of letting it fold a little bit. I'm looking for some interesting effects. Here comes that sapphire. all the way down to the end here. And bring it up around. Bring it back down this way. Well, I'm letting this drain out. I'm going to let you know that if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe. Hit the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you like my content, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. Okay. There's the cup. All right. Looks much better down here than it does up here. But let's see. Let's see where all the paint is. Okay. I think we're pretty good with having the weight of the paint evenly spread. I'm going to give it a torch because I do see a few little air bubbles in here. We'll get rid of those. Some really pretty little cells coming up with that sapphire right there. Okay, I'm going to start by tilting it away from me. Now you can tell where the weight of your paint is by what area is moving, if you have one area moving faster than the other. So I'm just going to rock this back and forth a little bit to make sure I have even distribution of my paint. And you can see that most of it's right in there. Okay. And now I'm going to bring it back towards me. There's some really pretty lacing going on right in here. Afraid I'm going to lose that when I tilt all of it, but we'll see what happens. So let's bring it down. And again, I'm going to put some, I think I'm out of my phthalo blue. It's okay, we can empty this right out. We can use any color we want because it's going to be tilted off. Just help that move down. Get some coverage on the corners. Just like that. Okay, let's give this another try. There, we're moving much better. A little extra paint on there for it to flow to. Bring it down to the side over here so that you can just go over. Bring it down this side. Just help it a little bit so it can go over. Bring it down that way a little bit. I'm going to try and bring it right down to this corner here. Might end up with some blue corners. Okay. Try and bring it back down a little. And then we'll stretch it to this corner over here. Give it kind of a steep tilt so I can get it right down there. Bring it back. Oh, it's got some really, really pretty effects going on in here. Okay. Tilt it down. Let some of this come back. Oh, wow. Some really pretty cells coming up through. Really liking it. Gorgeous, gorgeous effects going on. Okay. It's very red here. Very red. I think some of that extreme sheen paint might pop up a little bit. Trying to clean my arm off here. But just kind of move it a little. Bring it back down this way. Alright. Oh, it's so pretty. Some really, really pretty stuff going on in here. I really like this spot. Some nice lacing through this area. Got some cells popping up here. I'm going to give it a torch because I do see a few little air bubbles. And just keep your torch moving. Don't get too close. There we have it. That is a traveling straight pour. This corner down here is bothering me just a little bit. I'm going to try and tilt it off. See if we can get that to go. Get it to go. Maybe if I pick up some dark colored paint, I can encourage it to move a little. There we go. Making my lines go all sideways. They kind of look cool that way though. I might leave them that way. Okay, we can do it. There we go. And off it goes. So let's see about straightening that back out. Just a little, not too much, because I'm really liking that, that wave in there. It gave it a nice effect. Okay. So that, I believe, is where I'm going to leave it. It's so sparkly, you guys. It's so pretty. Okay. I'll give you a close-up look. We'll start at the side. You can see there's some of that extreme sheen paint popping up through, making little tiny cells. Some of the sapphire is giving it a nice sparkle. Bring it down just a little bit so we can go all the way across. You can see over here where the blue and the red meet. It's gorgeous. And then there's some really pretty cells going on here. Thanks for coming and watching my video, guys. I appreciate it. If you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe if you like my content. And I will see you next time. Bye.